Alright everybody, this is a tip for your Mercury Montego 2005 or 2007. Have these kind of LED lights in the back. Now unfortunately there's a severe flaw design, and if you've owned one of these cars, 2005 Montego or 2006 or 2007, then you have these kind of LED tail lights. Okay, and the problem is that these lights right here, when they're put together, they're only screwed together. Okay, and when the water comes rushing down in here, these lights will fill up with water, shorting this light out. This is $800. This assembly, you have to buy it. It's 800 bucks. You can buy them used on eBay for like 150 bucks. But they're just they are a pain to replace, and you don't want to have to replace this. Now, I've sealed this one up, okay, and I'm going to show you how I did that. It's real simple. It's nothing big to it. You just got to take the light out. Now, I've had to replace this other one over here. This is the one that went bad right here. And just another thing, it just wore out, it got old, but that is a replacement here on the ground. And this is the new one. But as you can see, I have put a bead of silicone right here, all the way down. Just where it'll curtail off the light, and it won't fill up the fixture. That's all you got to do. Give it like a little umbrella so it protects the electronic parts within the inside of here. And this will save the life of the light and help keep this thing from filling up with water, because once the water reaches the LED lights in here, that's it. It's done. It's going to short it out as soon as you put the lights on and the water's in there. The problem is you just don't know that it's happened, that it rained all night, you left your car outside, and then it filled up with water, and then it's all done. So in order to keep these lights alive a little bit longer, you put a bead of silicone in here like this. See that? The water will run off the top, that won't fill up the light. The same thing down this other side right here, and I only did it to right here, but I may put it the rest of the way. But as you can see, I only filled it up partially on this old one here, and it did pretty good. It kept the water out of the light. But these LEDs are just so prone to burning out, and if you own one of these cars and you probably have had it as long as I have, then you know that the light does go out just by itself. It just burns out. Once one of the LEDs burns out, then the whole thing goes out and it won't work anymore. So it's kind of a drag, but they can be, replaced. And if you want to try to make it last a little bit longer and try to keep the water out of it, then put this little bead of silicone right here, okay? Helpful tip for your 2005 Mercury Montego taillights.